Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to get a free domain in 2022. So welcome to this channel and hope you will enjoy it. So first of all, you need to go to hostinger.com/free domain. I'll put the link in the description for you. So you type hostinger.com/free domain. The free domain should be there. So when it opens, you type the domain you want to purchase for free. So I'll type father.net. So let's search if you're going to get it. So father.net is taken. So I can get any of them, Father Online, Father.live, Father.site, Father.website, Father.space, Father. But I would like Father.live. So let's click.